Going to show you how to create a quote in HubSpot. So you go to commerce, you go to quotes, and then there we have create quote. You click create quote, and then in order to create a quote, you're gonna have to have a deal. So you can see there, choose a deal. So you can create a deal, or you can just select some of the deal that you have. So let's say, for instance, we select this one, and then you go next. So now you're gonna have to have template. So here where you can manage your template for your quotes. There the quote name, you can update the quote if you want to. For instance, you can say March. You can put your expiration date, time there, comment to buyer. You can add some more information there. You can add purchase information there. Let's say, for instance, Lorem Ipsum buyer comment, and then here Lorem Ipsum terms of purchase. Okay, so now we have to choose the template. You can see there some other template if you want to check some templates in the HubSpot design tool, and also in your code template here you can customize the template. There is a place where you can customize code template there. Okay, so the basic one, those are the one that you have here. So you can edit the theme of those templates to change the color. Click edit theme. So here where you have the theme where you can change color of the theme. You can change the global fonts. You can change the button. You can change the banner settings. Okay, let's say for instance we choose blue. Yeah. Okay, that's a global font and stuff like that. So this is the way to change. You can also view in the basic way, moderns. There's the modern template. As you can see, our blue already there. You can change original. This is another template. You can see that. Here you can change the language. You can choose your code per language. Here we have the tablet view and then mobile view. All right, so once you finish to set up your to change the kind of like brand customization, click publish. Yeah, and then after that you can go back, so you can see undo, view, all the stuff you have there. So we come back here. So now let's just choose default basic. This is a basic one. Let's go to modern. All right, we have modern there. Okay, so you have local, you have code language. Okay, so here as you can see, you can insert snippet. If you have certain snippet, you can insert it. You can link. You can also here there's some other settings that you can try to get the what you see what you get. And then we go next. You select the contact. Some of the deals are gonna come already with the contact. And then here you select the company. You can click there, select the company. And then we have next. Okay, so now we have things like products that you're gonna have to select product from. We choose one product we did add here. You can also add a custom product as well there. Let's say for instance iPhone, we have 15 there. Let's say iPhone 14. You can add SQ, description, product type, image of the product and the price. Let's say 2000, and then here 1.4 unit cost, and then we save. All right, so now We go next. So yeah, so this is the way. Here you can add a discount. If you want to add discount, you can add a discount there. You can add one-time discount, add one-time fee, add one-time tax. You can add the stuff there, and then display total contract value on the published quote. If no term are set, the default is annual value. So if you want to edit the column, as you can see, we have different columns here. You click edit. There's edit global terms, and then the column, edit column. As you can see, we have all those things there. So if you want to add some of the items, you can add them here. So it must be able to be visible. So if you want to do so, let's say for instance, you want to add description. Yeah, so the changes we've made will affect all users in your account who use this tool. So are you sure you want to apply these changes for all user? Yes. So make sure that so this column, if you change the structure of this column here, so which means it's going to apply to all the codes that you're going to use in your HubSpot portal. So next, and then here we have a signature, payment, signature options, payment options. So there you can add signature, you can include space for your written signature. Yeah, so including the space here, as you can see, we have the space for the signature, and then include counter signature there. And then if you have payment, HubSpot payment or Stripe payment, you're gonna have to connect with your accounts, and then after that you set up those stuff. But here we're gonna just say no payments there. And then next you have your templates. All right, so now click publish. Here's your code. So once you click publish, so as you can see, your code is being published while you are waiting. Why not give up? So payment process, try collect the payment, blah blah. So click no, go to code. We're not gonna enroll now. So a web page for your code has been created. So copy the web page link below to share with prospect, or choose to write an email with the code included. You can access any of your active codes from the deal page. So you can copy the link, you can write the email. So we're not gonna write the email, yeah, we're just copying the link. And then all right, so now this is the stuff. As you can see here, this code looks like this. There you can download the code, or you can print the code. So yeah, this is how you to create a code in HubSpot. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe for more.